All about internet advertising methods. People opt for internet advertising methods because practically half of the world's population knows HTML. If you have your own business, you have to decide on what internet advertising method works for you. Ask yourself, what are you going to avail of, the expensive internet advertising methods or the cheap ones? Others will pipe in expensive immediately, but they don't know cheap internet advertising method attracts great benefits as well. Here's the lowdown and a comparative look on the cheap and expensive internet advertising methods. The expensive one, pop-ups. Not only is this expensive, but also outright annoying that visitors close pop-up windows without even bothering to know what they're all about. This is an internet advertising method that you can do without. Fly ads are derivatives of pop-ups, which are also equally irking to the visitors. 2 pop-ups. Not only is this expensive, but also outright annoying that visitors close pop-up windows without even bothering to know what they're all about. This is an internet advertising method that you can do without. Fly ads are derivatives of pop-ups, which are also equally irking to the visitors. 3 podcasts. Broadcast is to TV as podcast is to internet. It's one sophisticated internet advertising method that can somehow hamper your budget. But if you're thinking results, podcasting is worth the money. 4 paying the search engines. How does this one work? When someone types in a keyword related to your site, your URL is automatically included in the first page of the top results. Fixed payment for the search engine allows just that. Expensive, yes, but if we're talking about Google and Yahoo search engines here, then don't give it a second thought. This is associated with another internet advertising method, the pay-per-click system. The cheap one, blogging. Go along the bandwagon and blog about your website. This is an internet advertising method that is popular as of the moment, so you never have to worry that this will never spur outcome. All you have to do is sign up for a blogging account, post, and voila. You don't even need to pay. 2 submit to not-so-big search engines. This is cheap and dependable. If you submit your site to smaller search engines, you have bigger chances to get bigger results. Remember that the search engine giants can dwarf and overlook your site easily, so this internet advertising method might just be the right one for you. 3 text links. This is not just cheap, this is virtually free. Let someone text, link your site and return the favor. Cheap versus expensive, that's always the question that hounds on whenever we're trying to get something. In the field of internet advertising, just be wise enough to figure out what will suit your needs. Go for what you want as long as there are visible results.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.